we really wrote Carnivore-ish is because we somehow live in a time, we're in a time and place right now where telling people to eat an animal protein focused diet is either extreme or sneered at or ignored. It's crazy when you think about like the history of human beings and that we've always eaten that way. And if you go walk and look at the healthy cookbook section of your big box bookstore, it is virtually all plant-based. It's all vegan, vegetarian cookbooks. And it pisses me off because I think there needs to be at least some semblance of balance. Even if any of us agreed that plant-based was a good idea, the lack of balance is so problematic for our collective health, but it's just animal protein focused because it is revolutionary right now somehow to tell women that animal protein and red meat is good for them. They should eat more of it. We're doing a massive disservice to women who are buying these cookbooks, who are going into the healthy food section because they want to be healthy and they want to provide healthy food for their families. And all they can find are vegan salad recipes. I work more specifically with women who are trying to build muscle and who are trying to get stronger. And they've been told their entire life that you have to restrict how much you eat, that being the smallest you can be is the priority always. And they're trying to build muscle tissue while eating restrictively and eating low protein. And it's really hard to kind of like unlearn these things that they've been taught for their entire life. The idea that eating more, eating heavy protein, as people call it, like animal protein, these heavy foods are actually going to make you look better, lose weight, build muscle, feel better, have a better cycle, have a libido, like all of these things. It shouldn't be revolutionary, but apparently it is. If we're speaking about like women's unique physiology and needs, like cycling women who are having a monthly cycle and a period, we have extra requirements for things like iron and magnesium and copper and all of these things that we are physically like losing out of our body every month. And the best way to get that, again, bioavailability, is through red meat, is through animal sources. Your hormonal health, a lot of people and a lot of like really hard charging like female athletes and stuff, we see these things like the female athlete triad or like women losing their cycles. And it's almost like this like badge of honor of like, I'm working so hard, or I got this lean, I'm losing my period. That is a massive sign that your body is not functioning properly and is telling you that it's like in survival mode essentially. And you don't have to want to become pregnant for that stuff to matter to you. It's a really, really big warning sign that your body isn't functioning properly.
Annotated and summarized, easy to share with loved ones. The description below the title for this video has these summary points.
From the website doctorstotrust.com, you can view the summary notes and share or print the PDF of those notes.